When we think about problems, we might be stuck in something Chris Algeris calls single loop learning. Single loop learning is improving a system as it exists. Systems as they exist often produce problems that permeate or repeat themselves often. What Chris Algeris developed was a phrase, essentially, or a concept, which he reframes as double loop learning, which he describes as not only fixing a problem, but thinking about the underlying assumptions that permeate this particular problem. Management theorists took this even further and began to develop a model which they called the double loop learning model, which Chris Algeris is the founder of. And what this does is it questions our underlying assumptions. It helps us think about our techniques, goals, values, and strategies, and then think about our results. A good question that I like to think about when I was really thinking through double loop and single loop learning is a single loop learning question could be, this is a Coke can. A double loop learning question is, why do I need this Coke can? What role does it play? How does it fit into the vision? Is this the best way, or is this the best product that I could be working with? And that's just an example of a Coke can, just a random object. But these are the questions that you could ask. So building on that, I put together some 3 questions that have helped me think about this even further. So what are my underlying assumptions? What values is this process emerging for me? So not just thinking about processes, but thinking about values. And one of the things that Jaime Lerner often does in thinking about creativity, Jaime Lerner is the former mayor of Curitiba in Brazil and one of the most successful mayors in the world. He said that one of the things that will stir creativity is if you take a zero off your budget. What would happen if that was the case? So Chris Algeris would build on this and say that would possibly cultivate double loop learning. So in summation, when thinking about double loop learning, you could do this either as an individual or as a team to stimulate and really question the underlying assumptions that are leading to some of the reoccurring problems that may be existing in your organization.